my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and this video I'm going to be installing this wig that you see on my head that I got from BGM Girl hair. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. This right here is probably one of the most comfortable wigs I have ever worn in my entire life. This is a 24-inch kinky straight 180 density 9x6 glueless closure wig. I know I just said a lot, but this wig has all the bells and whistles. It's super comfortable. It's super cute. It has pre-bleached knots, pre-bleached, pre-plucked lace. They did all the hard work for you. It's on this comfortable M cap, which means it has like the cutouts around your ears so that it fits comfortably on your head. And then also I just want to point out that this hair is so lightweight and so soft that it feels like there's nothing on my head right now. Like, it is completely soft. Like, it is so soft right now. It's definitely one of the most comfortable wigs I have ever worn. I don't know if you can see the lace right now, because if you can, you're lying, because the lace is invisible. This lace is so seamless, you can't see anything. It blends in so easily with my my scalp and my hairline. I didn't have to use any glue or any adhesive or anything like that. Like, this wig is completely glueless. I can stick this whole comb like underneath and it lays so flat. And that's exactly what you need in a glueless wig, that lays super flat. Before we jump into the video, I just want to show you really quickly what came in the box. In the box, they give you this cute dust bag that has their brand name on it so that you can store your wig. It comes with an extra wig band that you can attach. That's just like an extra wig band in case you need it. They also give you a cute bonnet that looks like this. I know y'all seen me wear these bonnets in like all my videos. It came from them. Thank you very much. I love that. They give you some lashes that look like this. Comes with a wig cap and also a darker wig cap, which I absolutely love. And then it comes with their wig band and then also an edge brush here. And then they also have a couple of care cards with information about their hair. So definitely check it out. But if you want to see me install this wig and see how I got this look, then you got to keep on watching. So jumping right into the video, I'm just going to go ahead and slide my bonnet off. My hair is braided down, even though you can't tell. I'm just going to use my edge booster to sleek back my edges and make sure everything is sleek. I am going to use a wig cap for this install, but what I will say is that this lace is very transparent, so you actually can get away without using a wig cap. Because you will be able to see your wig cap through the lace, or if you do still want to wear a wig cap, just make sure you use some concealer, but I decided to wear one anyway. And then after that, I'm just going to take my cream makeup and apply all over the front of the wig cap to blend it. So this wig comes with a removable comb on the back, so I'm just going to go ahead and take the paper off and I'm going to adjust the wig band. I did keep the comb on there because I like the comb for extra security. And the wig band does have this non-slip grip on there that I love because it really helps your wigs stay without moving. And then I'm just going to pull the wig towards the back of my head, tuck in the comb underneath my wig cap and my braids, and then just flip the hair over. And immediately I could tell how snug this cap was fitting. The wig fits perfectly around my ears thanks to the M cap. And I could really tell how comfortable this wig was. It wasn't too tight, but it was just tight enough so that I knew it wasn't going to move or shift anywhere. And immediately I could see that this lace was going to blend seamlessly. And also, this hair is so thick and so soft. That's what I was trying to mouth, is that this hair is so soft. I really could not believe how soft it is. But just get a look at this. It's naturally shiny. This is the Kinky straight texture. And it's very thick and pretty. I absolutely love this hair. First impressions, already starting off strong out the box. So now I'm getting ready to do my baby hairs. As you can see, my natural hairline always just happens to fall a little bit in front of the natural hairline of wigs. So that's why I always use baby hairs in my wigs to cover up my natural hairline.
I know some people like to cut like their real hair to make it blend, but I'm not that girl. I am not cutting my hair in any way, shape, or form to form around a wig. The wig is just gonna have to form around my natural hairline. Yeah, so but I did want to make the baby hairs look as natural as possible just because the hair texture of this wig feels very natural. So I didn't want to do anything too crazy. I just wanted them to be really cute and as natural as possible. So like I was saying earlier, I wanted to make my baby hairs look as natural as possible. Usually when I do my baby hairs, I would just like swoop them going like vertically or horizontally, like vertically like this, and usually I would just leave it like that. But I decided, that's not really how I do my baby hairs whenever I do my hair. So I tried to like take the little edge brush and just make mini swoops in the edges or whatever so that they look like, like two swoops as opposed to just one long one. I don't know. I think because I saw somewhere on social media, like on Instagram somewhere, where someone says they're tired of the edges or the baby hairs that be touching the eyebrows and look like bangs. So I was like, you know what? I feel like I was one of those people guilty of that. So I'm like, let me just try something a little different. And I feel like it came out kind of cute. I feel like it really worked with this hairstyle. Also, as I mentioned earlier, this hair is very soft and fine. So I'm just using some of my Spritz hairspray on the baby hairs to help them stay in place. I feel like gel by itself wasn't going to do enough. So I just used some Spritz and I blow dried it with a blow dryer to help like really harden and solidify the edges. And then I wrapped them. So as far as styling, I decided I want to put some like body wave curls in this hair. So I'm using my big, I think it's like a 1.5 inch curling iron from Hot Tools. I got this from like Marshalls or TJ Maxx. I always use this curling iron, but I'm just taking it and just wrapping the hair around the barrel, leaving it on there for a few seconds to get these kind of like spiral looks to give it more of a body wave look. Now this hair is very, very soft and very, very fine. So if you want your curls to last, I definitely recommend using like hairspray. In this video, I didn't use any hairspray at all on the curls. So that was my flaw right there. But definitely just spray some spritz on it and then the curls will last pretty long. So now I'm just taking the Got To Be Free spray and spraying it along all of like the parting area of the wig just to define the parts and, just make the hairstyle look more neater around the hairline. All right, so now it's time for my favorite part, which is taking off this freaking wig band so I can just see how good everything looks. And immediately I can tell how natural and well the lace is blending, how I love my edges like this. I maybe need to practice a little bit more, but for the most part, I love that. But now I'm just going to take some more of my cream makeup and just touch up my hairline, even though like it already just blended in like immediately. There were like a couple of like little white patches from the spray and stuff, so I just wanted to go ahead and cover that up. And like I mentioned earlier, you can see a wig cap through this lace because the lace is so transparent. So I'm just using some of my concealer to kind of like blend that in to make it look like one long line, so you won't be able to see where the wig cap stops. So one last touch I wanted to add to the hair is just add some layering in the front. I do want to mention that I did wind up cutting my bangs a little bit shorter than what you see here in the video because I really just wanted them to shape my face. So as you can see here, I'm cutting them more closer towards my ear, but outside of the video, I did wind up cutting them like closer towards my eye so that they'll be really short and just frame my face a little bit better. But yeah, so this is the finished look of the hair, and I am absolutely loving this hair. There's so many great things about this hair. So the first thing that I love, first of all, is the texture of the hair. The kinky straight is super cute. It looks very, very natural. It looks like I got a blowout with my real hair. It looks just so good, and especially I really like how I did the edges this time to make it look even more natural. And then on top of that, I really love the lace in this hair. The lace is very transparent and it blends really well. Sometimes I have trouble with getting the lace to blend with my like scalp and my forehead and everything, but this blends to perfection. Absolutely love it. And then also this is completely glueless, so as you can see, I'm sticking the comb up underneath this wig here because there's no glue on it whatsoever, and it's super snug on my head and it's not shifting at all. But overall, this wig is constructed really well, especially for a glueless wig. It is a very comfortable, it fits snug, and the lace fits like flat to your head so that it doesn't slip and slide anywhere. And then the hair is just beautiful. I absolutely love it. So definitely check this hair out. All the information will be in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.